To solve this equation, let's first clear the fractions. So, we are going to multiply both sides of the equation by the least common denominator of all the fractions, which is 4 in this case. Then, let's simplify each term. Now, we are going to rewrite the equation so that the left side of the equation has only x. To do this, let's first eliminate 2x on the right side of the equation. So, we are going to subtract 2x from both sides of the equation. Here, it is important to treat both sides of the equation equally. So, when we subtract a number from one side of the equation, we must subtract the same number from the other side of the equation. After subtracting 2x, the left side of the equation is simplified to 3x minus 3. Then, the right side of the equation is simplified to 0. Next, we are going to eliminate minus 3 on the left side of the equation. To do this, let's add 3 to both sides of the equation. After adding 3, the left side of the equation is simplified to 3x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the equation. 0 plus 3 is 3. We now have a new equation, 3x equals 3. Now, to solve the equation, we are going to eliminate 3 in front of x. To do this, let's divide both sides of the equation by 3. So, the answer is x equals 1.